Recently, WhatsApp introduced usernames whereby when one sets it, their phone number gets automatically hidden from public view. They went even further by introducing security layers like a secret key or code whereby if you have the username, you still cannot contact them unless you meet their specific messaging criteria. In many cases, the only reliable way of contacting such individuals is if you already happen to have their phone numbers saved, otherwise, direct outreach is restricted. So, I am making a video today to show you how to see a phone number even if someone has set up a custom username and hidden their contact details. To do this trick successfully, you should have a reliable automation tool installed on your phone such as the TCT Bot application available on the Play Store. You can easily download and deploy the automation platform, and I will leave a direct reference link in the description box on how to handle that configuration effortlessly. Now, once you have the system set up and running, you will get access to specialized modules that allow you to query and inspect data, including seeing phone numbers of individuals who have hidden behind custom usernames. To demonstrate how this works in a real-world scenario, I will practically show you using an example of a person who was previously in one of my groups and had set a custom username before eventually exiting the chat. Basically, I did not have the personal contact number of this individual saved anywhere. When looking inside the group participant logs, I saw that he had left, and when I clicked on his username to check his profile page, I could not see the phone number as it used to be visible in older versions of the app. To bypass this visibility restriction and find the digits, open up your self-chat window on WhatsApp. From there, you can type the query command either by starting with a dot followed by the command find, and then attach that target username right after it. Alternatively, if you had previously configured a custom prefix of your choice, which for my current setup I placed as null, you will just start directly with the find command followed by the username of that person. Once you send that query, the system will automatically process the request, search the data feeds, find that exact number, and display it right back to you on your screen as you can see. To confirm that it truly worked and that the data is accurate, when I click on that revealed number link, you can see it instantly redirects me back to a direct chat with that person. So remember, to execute this lookup successfully, you should have the TCT Bot app installed on your device or running it using any other deployment method from my GitHub page. As you can see right on your screen, finding hidden details and managing your platform workflows has never been simpler. TCT has many more features, and as you can see right on the screen right now, some of those additional tools include advanced automation utilities, efficient message management, and a whole suite of productivity enhancements designed to make your online experience seamless. Now that you know how effortless it is to handle hidden handles and retrieve necessary contact data, it is time to take your digital workflow to the next level.